everybody, it's Jill from Glimmerbug Art Studio, glimmerbug.com, and I am doing art snacks today. It's a little late. This has been here for, probably like a week. It's been sitting on my art cart. We have had like 2 weeks from hell in our house with kids so sick. It's just been like, the winter blues have hit, and these poor kids are so sick. So today is finally after a day and a half of snow and school cancellations, and everybody seems to be semi back to normal, please. So I've been spending the last like hour, 2 hours, 5 hours detoxifying my house and scrub and trying to clean everything up, and let's hope that today they make it through a full day of school and everybody is on the mend. So anyhow, I wanted to make sure I got this done because it's been hanging over my head and I've been looking at it every day, and I just haven't had a chance to sit down and put the video on and start recording. So I haven't had any time to do any art or anything with all that's been going on. So anyhow, I wanted to do my unboxing, my Art Snacks unboxing. And okay, let's get started. So let's see. I hope it's something good. I could use something positive and sweethearts. Isn't that nice? Little conversation hearts. Cute, cute, cute. That'll cheer me up today. Sticker with little hearts on it. Isn't that cute? Here's my cheat sheet with some watercolor paper. Nice feeling paper. Very nice. And here we go. What is in the fun little green tissue this month? I feel like I'm playing like a TV game show. Please, no whammies. Let's see. Oh boy. All right, so get this out of the way. It looks like we have a beautiful brush. Let's see, isn't that nice? A number 2 Precision Raphael brand brush. That's a nice brush, although I can't get the damn thing back on it. That's typical of the way my luck has been going lately. So it's a Raphael mini precision brush with a $10 retail. It's a watercolor brush, which is awesome because I have been doing a ton of watercolors until the apocalypse and sicknesses hit. Faber-Castell 2H. Let's see, what is this? This is $1.95. Nice, good sketching. I've been using this guy for all of my sketching. So I'm always looking for another pencil. So that's cool. Oh boy, what's this one? A Micron Pigma. Let's see. PN. Let's see. Oh, that's a little tiny nib. That's kind of nice for outlining. So let's hope that this one lasts. I never have luck with these pens. They always seem to, I think I'm really hard on the tips because I always seem to have the tips pushed in whenever I have been using them, and they never last for me. So I always seem to be using, I always have luck with these guys. These, Uniballs. Those are like the ones that I always use for my black ink work. So maybe, because this is a nice thin tip, maybe I won't be so rough on it. Fingers crossed, let's hope. And what is this? This is, Sennelier French Artist Watercolor in blue, and it says Tinte Neutral Tint. Let's see. Black. And what's this one? I love that blue. Well, that'll be kind of nice to add to my watercolor repertoire. So these together are $23.50. So they're about $12 each, which, oh my holy God, that's a lot of money. which I would never be able to buy my own. So thank you for Art Snacks for sending them. And then this watercolor paper is Fabriano Artistico watercolor paper. It says, try out your new watercolors on a bonus sheet of 140-pound Fabriano Artistico watercolor paper. 100% cotton paper, is sturdy and durable, and can withstand heavy layering and erasing. Well, that's kind of good, considering I've been doing a ton of watercolor. And I'll show you just a quickie of what I've been messing around with. So I've been in my journal, and it's all different, you know, just futzing around. Watercolor, watercolor, watercolor. And I've been just doing these cute little watercolor girls with all these different quirky hairstyles and that kind of thing. My kids are really into drawing girls. My daughters are. So we've been spending our time stuck in the snow and homesick doing little art projects. So I thought, well, I'll do A's for, you know, ABCs, just to kind of doodle and practice and whatnot. I mean, it's crappy paper anyway, but... So I've been having fun kind of just sitting here doing that while I've been in between administering medications and cleaning up things that have flown out of little people's bodies, etc., etc. So that's my fun complaint for the day. So I'm excited to use these and to use this. This is a nice one. It's a nice tip. I've been using like kind of just crummy brushes that I've gotten at Walmart, because like I said, my daughters have been they've been doing the watercolors with me, so I haven't gotten any like my really good watercolors out, or my watercolor brushes, because you know, kids are kind of rough on them. They sit there and they jam the tips into the paint, and so yeah, I've been keeping the good stuff hidden from them. Don't tell them. So this is kind of a neat box of stuff, so I'm looking forward to seeing what I can come up with these little colors. And like I said, I don't have fancy tubes. I have some really nice schminky watercolors that my husband bought me for Mother's Day last year, which like only come out when they're safe. But for the most part, I've been using just the Jane Davenport brand watercolors and the cheapy ones that you can get from Michael's. I kind of like just buying all different types of watercolors and seeing which ones are my favorite. And so far, my favorite, other than the schminkies, have been the Jane Davenports, because they're really smooth. So, but now I'm excited to try these to see how they work. But they're probably like butter. It's nice, aren't they pretty? So I'll have to see what I can come up with. So anyhow, that's it for me. I'm sorry to make this such a quickie, but I got to go get the kids at the bus stop. We've had a half day or a late start today with all the snow and ice that came in yesterday into today. So they went in 2 hours late, and now we are getting ready to go for the bus stop for the afternoon. And my middle daughter had wanted me to make some cookies, so yada yada bada bada. That is my life today. So anyhow, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, which I hope you did, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so that you can keep in touch and leave me a comment so that I know you're here. And check out my website at glimmerbug.com, where I blog, and I've got all sorts of cute little things on there to check out. And that's it for now. So hope you have a great rest of the day and stay healthy. And I will see you or talk to you soon. Bye.